Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. By the end of this video, if you like what you saw, please subscribe and press the like or thumbs up button. In this video, I'll be showing you how to braid large box braids, perfect for summer. Please watch until the end and see how we achieved this look. With clean hair and well moisturized hair, you will start by sectioning the hair in a neat manner. Well, according to your preferred size of the hair and hairpiece. The hairpiece I'm using was not pre-stretched or did not have ends. So if you do not know how to create ends, please watch the video with detailed steps linked on your top right of the screen. In this case, she wanted to use 4 packets of hairpiece, so I had to section a lot of hair and use medium-sized hairpiece so that the 4 packets can be enough. After sectioning the hair, you will then go ahead and moisturize the hair with your favorite moisturizer. You now take any size of the hairpiece that you chose. You will then hold the hair you want to braid and take the hairpiece and rotate it towards the roots or scalp just once. Because if you rotate the hairpiece twice, you will create a big knot and you will not want that. There are 2 ways to create a perfect braid. The first one is when you have less natural hair and more hairpiece, like natural hair in front. So in this case, you start taking small hairpiece from one strand and mix it with the natural hair, then start braiding. If you continue to have unequal strands, you will take some hair from the strand that has more hair until you have 3 strands with equal size of hair. After finishing the first braid, you will then move to the other one. Now moving to the second braid. This method is used when you have thick or hair with more volume, usually the hair in the middle, like the second braid from the front. After sectioning the second braid neatly so, you will then hold the hair that you want to braid and also the hairpiece. So on your left hand side, you will hold the hair, and then on the right, you will then rotate the hairpiece. So the difference between this method and the first one is that here you're going to braid without separating any strand before. So you're going to braid until you feel that the natural hair is no longer enough. Then that is where you will start taking some hairpiece from the other strands until you feel that you have equal hair strands. While you are braiding, also make sure that you hide the natural hair with the hairpiece. Another thing is when you did not grab the hair from the hair roots, you will then hold the natural hair with one hand and the hairpiece on the other hand. After braiding once or twice, then push the hairpiece towards the scalp and pull the natural hair gently so. The reason we're doing that, we're doing it so that we can have some braids which look new and neat and perfect. When you are done doing that, you still apply the technique of making sure that all the strands have equal hairpiece or hair, and that will actually create a cleaner look at the end. And then continue braiding until you finish. When you are done braiding, you then cut the hairpiece ends to create that cleaner braid. And that's it, guys. You are now ready to rock this summer hairstyle. There is no boiling in this case because this braiding hairpiece was not a hot water braid. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe so that you can see more content from me. And please give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.